In today's video, we will explore how users from different service plans can access their personal task lists. Upon entering their Sembly account, users on the professional plan can navigate to My To-Dos section in the left-hand menu. To-Dos are selected by our system and automatically assigned to you to enhance your individual experience. If during a meeting you commit to doing something, it will appear on your to-dos list as well as any activities assigned to you by anyone else. Additionally, you have the option to pin the most important items at the top of the page, push to-dos to a task management tool, for example, to Microsoft To Do. Also copy a link to this item, copy text, make it inactive, or complete. You can also use filters or search to find the items you are interested in. For Team, Team Plus, and Enterprise users, the interface is similar. However, these users have access to all tasks discussed in a meeting. And additional fields display information on who assigned the task and who should complete it. The titles and descriptions also benefit the team's experience. To check out your tasks, you can navigate to the My Tasks tab. From there, you can review tasks and send them to a task management tool. You can also utilize available options when hovering over a task. Text changes can be made within a meeting, in To-Dos and Task section. Please ensure that you have the necessary permissions to edit a meeting. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video.